Amada has developed a new innovative blade design suited for structural materials application. The name is Protector. Many of you have experienced difficulty in structural steel cutting applications, such as terrible noise during cutting structural steel. Or terrible surface finish. And out of square cuts. These various reasons derive from material characteristics such as a tendency to vibrate and at times clamping difficulties, which is very stressful on the blade, and the biggest cause in teeth loss. Amada has focused extensive research on targeting teeth loss, the most vital blade part. Also, Amada has conducted extensive research on collected used blades from end users. On such research, Amada found that 83% of blade failure is due to teeth loss when used under the previous applications. On further study, Amada has concluded that one lost tooth on a conventional blade leads to a teeth loss chain reaction. We call this the domino effect. Based on the data gathered from this research, Amada has eliminated teeth loss with the Protector blade's special design. In comparison to conventional blades, it has improved toughness of tooth body. By providing a wider body of high-speed steel, it improves teeth retention. In case one tooth is lost, the Protector blade design prevents the continuous teeth loss chain reaction. The highlighted portion of the blade is called the Protector. With the broach set design, minimal noise level has been achieved. Optional wide set is also available for larger I and H-beam applications to deter blade stalling caused by material pinching. The combination of these improvements in the Protector blade has taken Amada to a new level of quality where no one has gone before. The perfect environment for ideal structural material cutting. Now we would like to demonstrate a test cut made on special material by using a conventional blade and the Protector blade. Now you are looking at the test cut performed with a conventional blade. And as you can see, this material is not securely clamped in the machine vise, therefore the material is vibrating excessively. Under these conditions, a conventional blade will lose teeth and easily halt cutting. Now let's look at what the Protector is doing. As you have noticed, the cutting conditions are exactly the same as the conventional blade used before, and the Protector blade has no difficulty completing the workpiece. In addition to the details shown before, the protector blade has various unique features. Due to the protector blade's special design, no break-in procedure is required. Therefore, immediately maximum production can be achieved. With the protector broach set design, under the same cutting condition, the noise level of 95 decibels using a conventional blade has been decreased to 87 decibels with the protector blade. A healthier working environment is assured. Please look at more test cuts using the protector blade. As you have seen, this is the new protector blade's potential that will lead to a different cutting world. The following are ideal protector blade applications.